Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. That is the healthcare in India. Means, what is the condition of healthcare in our country? Whether the conditions of healthcare in our country are very good or are very poor. Let us see what is written in your NCRT textbook and in other books also. What is whatever it is there, let us clear it. Healthcare condition in India are very poor. Unfortunately, it is written that the conditions of healthcare in India that the government is providing or whatever we are having in India is quite poor. It is written clearly. See, India, in spite of being poor, one of the poorer countries in the world, but there is a big but over here that India is having largest number of hospitals and medical colleges in the world. You can see it is having the largest means सबसे ज़्यादा hospitals, सबसे ज़्यादा medical college हमारे इंडिया में है ये throughout the world. Even though India is a poor country, it is poorer. It is written that it is one of the poorer countries, not developed. India is underdeveloped countries, but still, our country, is having the largest number of hospitals and medical colleges in the world. यानी पूरे दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा हॉस्पिटल्स और मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हमारे कंट्री में है. फिर भी हमारे यहाँ even then our healthcare conditions are very poor. What is the reason? Let us see. फिर भी हमारे यहाँ पर हेल्थ केयर कंडीशन पुअर क्यों है? लेट अस सी मोर फैक्ट्स. और कुछ फैक्ट्स देखते हैं. इंडिया प्रोड्यूसेस ऑलमोस्ट 15,000 डॉक्टर्स एवरी ईयर. it is a great margin, it is a huge margin, it is huge number. 15,000 doctors every year India produces. तो ये डॉक्टर्स कहाँ चले जाते हैं? Where are they going, these doctors? They are moving to other countries of the world to treat people of other countries. There are various reasons. They might not be getting jobs in India, they might not be getting enough payment also in India, or they might not be giving enough support from the government side also. That is why these people are moving outside India. 15,000 doctors every year India is producing, and India is also having largest number of hospitals and medical colleges in the world. ये क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू के लिए very important, is very important, that if someone will ask you name the country which is having the largest number of hospitals and medical colleges in the world, you will have to say that India, our country, is having the largest. And our country India also produces 15,000 doctors every year. This is great margin. Remember the number, 15,000 doctors. Next, people in India is having ill health. Now, what is the reason? Now, let us come to the reason why the people of India is not good in health. What are the reason? Even then, India is having 15,000 doctors and largest number of hospitals. Why the people of India is having ill health? Let us see. Because the majority of its population living in the rural areas does not have access to good hospitals. Kyun? Because most of the people in India who are living in village side, rural areas, are not getting good hospitals. Good hospitals are not there in their areas. Only the good hospitals are in cities, in towns, and in good places. And well qualified doctors are also not available in the rural areas. We know that a major population of India is living in the villages, are living in the rural areas, and where there is a majority of the population, there is no such good hospitals or well qualified doctors. That is why the people of India is having ill health. Even then, even though our country is having largest number of hospitals and medical colleges. So where are these largest hospitals? Where are these hospitals and medical colleges in India? They are actually not in the rural areas. They are actually in the towns and the cities. They are available. So people in the towns, those who are living in the towns and cities, are having good health because they are having good hospitals and well qualified doctors. But where the majority of the population of India is living in the rural areas, we are not having good hospitals, even not having well qualified doctors available during in the villages. That is why India is having ill health. We should try to remove this or try to improve this situation in our country. Most medical practitioners, this is also one of the reason, my dear friends, that most medical practitioners means doctors, medical practitioners means doctors. Most doctors want to practice in big cities where they have better and bigger opportunities, because big cities are giving them big payment, a lot of payment, a lot of earning they are earning, and they are getting a lot of bigger opportunities also. So that's why most of the doctors who are getting qualified, 15,000 doctors every year, they want to practice in cities, not in the town, not in the village areas, because in cities they are having better and bigger opportunities. They get a lot of payment, and they get a lot of you can say better facilities of living also. In cities and towns, you know that we are having good roads, electricity is also available throughout the day, 24 hours available. Even in cities there are malls, there are cinema halls, and even there are parks, and there are many places like aquatica, and all these things are available in cities and towns. That's why most of the doctors want to settle down in cities where they will get better life opportunities, and whether they will earn more and more. This is one of the reasons why our health condition is getting poorer and poorer time and time again throughout the year. One more reason, my dear friends, my dear students, that villagers often have to travel miles before they can get medical treatment. I will share few stories with you all today only, that most of the villagers used to travel many kilometers, 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers. They used to travel miles before they get the medical treatment, before they get the proper medical treatment, because good hospitals are available in cities. So then they have to travel from the villages to the cities. They have to travel a lot of distances, cover a lot of distances, then only they get good medical treatment. I will let you also know about the facilities available in government hospitals also. What are the disturbances, what are the problems, what are the issues of the medical hospitals available by the government side. We will go through that also with the help of two stories that I'm going to share today. So villagers, that is the cut point over here, that the villagers have to travel a lot before they get the medical treatment. Yes, many hospitals are also available. A few hospitals are also available in villages, but what is the condition in those hospitals? They are short of medical equipments. बहुत सारे उनके पास machines नहीं होते. They don't have even ICUs. They don't have even qualified doctors. They don't have even good facilities, proper beds. So that is the reason villagers have to travel to towns to get the better medical treatment. This is also one of the reasons why the people of India is having ill health in our country. So my dear students, okay, let us assume that villagers are having to travel a lot of distances to cover, before they are getting medical treatment. So let us continue our healthcare in India. What is the condition? A report says that 11,174 hospitals were functioning in the year 1991 in India. 1991 में कितने hospitals थे इंडिया में? 11,174 hospitals. But the number grew up and it became 18,218, almost increment of 7,000 hospitals in the year 2000, just in 9 years. सिर्फ 9 साल में 7,000 हॉस्पिटल बढ़ जाता है. A report is saying that 7,000 hospitals have increased in just this 9 years from 1991 to 2000. So it is a larger number of increment in India, and it is throughout the world also. India has a large number of hospitals. Even then, फिर भी 5 lakh people die of tuberculosis every year. TB, it is a tuberculosis, it is a type of disease, and on an average 5 lakh people die every year. It is huge margin, my dear friends, my dear students. 5 lakh students are dying because of this tuberculosis disease every year in India. And let me tell you that we are having the vaccination, we are having the medicine to cure this disease. Even then, 5 lakh people are dying of this tuberculosis in India. Only in India, my friend. Because this tuberculosis disease is preventable, we can get out of it by having better medical facilities. But even then, people of India are dying. This number has not changed since independence. ये number change ही नहीं हो पा रहा है independence के बाद भी. And from the year 1947 till to the 2020, every year people are dying. 5 lakh people are dying because of this disease. जबकि इस डिजीज का, बीमारी का इलाज हमारे पास है. वी आर हैविंग द मेडिसिन टू क्योर, बट व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग इट ऑन टाइम. लोगों को नहीं मिल पा रहा है. पुअर पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस मेडिसिन ऑन टाइम. That's why 5 lakh people every year are dying of this disease. Almost 2 million cases, 2 million means 20 lakh. 20 lakh cases of malaria are registered every year. हर साल 20 लाख लोगों को मलेरिया होता है. There is no sign of decrease in the number. ये नंबर घट नहीं रहा है, ये नंबर नीचे नहीं जा रहा. Why? We know that malaria is caused by the biting of the mosquitoes, and we are also knowing why mosquitoes are coming in India. Why there are more and more mosquitoes? Because we are not having proper drainage system. हमारे यहाँ ड्रेनेज सिस्टम सही नहीं है. थ्रू आउट बिहार यू विल सी द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम इज नॉट अंडरग्राउंड, इट इज अबव द ग्राउंड, विच बिकॉज ऑफ विच द वाटर इज स्टैग्नेंट. पानी जमा हो जाता है, वाटर आर गेटिंग स्टैग्नेंट एट अ प्लेस, एंड मॉस्किटोज आर गेटिंग बोर्न एवरी टाइम, एवरी सिंगल सेकेंड. They are getting born in thousands and lakhs, and that's why we are getting this disease. Millions of cases of malaria are getting every year, and you can see 20 million cases of malaria every year. 20 lakh people are getting this disease of malaria because of only one reason, that drainage system is above the ground. We should clean the water which is collected at our area, in near our area, in our neighborhood, that I showed you in the images also, that we should clear those water, stagnant water which is collecting near your side, near your place. We should remove that water so that mosquitoes cannot born there. जब भी आपको नजर आए आपके आमने सामने आसपास के इलाके में पानी जमा हुआ है, उसको हटा देना चाहिए. इसलिए मलेरिया वहीं से जन्म लेते हैं. And only few major cities in India, major towns in India, you can say, जैसे like West Bengal है ना, कोलकाता, Bangalore, they are having underground drainage system. So you will not find any cases of malaria in those area. But where there is the drainage system is above the ground, है ना, जो जमीन के ऊपर है ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, पानी बह रहा है, वहां पर मॉस्किटोज होंगे. और जहां पर मॉस्किटोज होंगे, where there will be mosquitoes, there will be malaria disease. So that is why there is no sign of decrease in the number, है ना. So from this particular field of teaching, from this particular medium of YouTube channel also, I am requesting my government to please make available this underground drainage system in our Bihar also, so that millions of people get their life back, they do not get these cases of malaria. I am requesting our honorable chief minister also. So you all also request, you can write to the chief minister also, my friends, my students, that ask our chief minister to give us underground drainage system to reduce these cases of malaria. India is the fourth largest producer of medicines. You can see, my friend, my dear students, that India is the fourth largest. सबसे बड़े प्रोड्यूसर में से फोर्थ नंबर में आता है. मेडिसिन इंडिया प्रोड्यूस करता है. इतने सारे मेडिसिन इंडिया में प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं that India is in the fourth position. A large quantity of medicine is even exported to different parts of the world. बहुत सारे मेडिसिन बाहर भेज दिए जाते हैं. But our poor people, our citizens are not getting these medicines because they are not having good financial conditions also. There is a black marketing of medicines also. Nowadays, you will find that a lot of black marketing is going on for purchasing the masks, for sanitizers during this lockdown period. So because of this black marketing, because of this huge increase in the price of the medicines, many Indians are not getting the medicines, even though India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world. Even though that the condition of healthcare in India is very poor. We are having the largest number of hospitals and medical colleges. 15,000 doctors are every year are getting out, and they are coming up. 15,000 doctors are getting registered every year. But even then, 5 lakh people are dying of tuberculosis. Even then, 2 million people are getting malaria. What is the reason? Even then, we are having the fourth largest producer of medicine, but India is also having at the same time poor health condition of the India. Why is this happening? Because of the mismanagement, my dear students. The government is not managing all the things in a right way. They should manage, they should get this particular fact, they should know the fact that what is our status in the world. So let us move ahead. Okay, India is the fourth largest producer of medicines also. Let us get more facts. It is said that we are not able to provide clean water to all. Yes, that is also one of the reason that everywhere people are not getting clean water. They are forced to drink water from the wells or from the tube wells or from the ponds because they are not getting this clean water. This is also one of the reason that people are getting a lot of diseases, you know, because of the water facility also. You can see 21% of communicable diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, that is hepatitis also, liver infection और waterborne diseases. ये डायरिया, टाइफाइड और हेपेटाइटिस जैसे डिसीज जो है ये गलत पानी, खराब पानी पीने की वजह से होता है. और 21% ऑफ दीज डिजीजेस आर वाटरबोर्न. ये लोग पानी में रहने के पानी, गलत पानी पीने की वजह से ये डिसीज होते हैं, डायरिया, टाइफाइड और हेपेटाइटिस. एंड दे स्प्रेड ड्यू टू पॉल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर. और ये वाटर को पॉल्यूशन कौन कर रहा है? हु आर पॉल्यूटिंग द वाटर? वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. We the citizens are polluting water. We are throwing our wastage in the rivers and the ocean. We are throwing a lot of plastics, materials, bottles, everything in the water. We are not dumping them in the ground. We are just throwing, we are just polluting the water. And this water pollution will cause this type of diseases, diarrhea, typhoid and hepatitis. 21% of all the communicable diseases are borne water diseases. यानी जितने भी कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस हैं उसमें से 21% डिसीज जो है वो वाटर बोन है, जो पानी, खराब पानी, गलत पानी की वजह से होता है. दिस 21% इज a huge margin. अगर मान लेते हैं 10 बीमारी हो रहा है तो उसमें से 2 या 2 से 3 बीमारी जो है वो पानी के, गलत पानी की वजह से, खराब पानी की वजह से होता है. दैट इज द 21% my friend. So do not pollute water. Stop polluting the water. Start saving the water from now on, my dear students, my dear friends. Stop polluting and start saving your water, है ना? Stop polluting and start saving. क्या stop करना है? Polluting the water. Stop it. और क्या start करना है? Saving the water. Water को save करो. Whenever you are washing or washing your teeth also, so save water at that time also. Just open the tap when you have to use, then close the tap when you don't have to use, you know? So use the tap properly to save water, my friends. Let us move ahead. जब भी आपको पानी का इस्तेमाल होगा तभी आप नल खोलेंगे, और नहीं करना है इस्तेमाल तो नल को तुरंत बंद करेंगे. This is the way of saving the water. Many patients travel to India from neighboring countries. See, for medical treatment बहुत सारे पेशेंट बाहर से इंडिया आते हैं. Many people are coming to India from neighboring countries. This is known as medical tourism. अगर आप भी यहाँ से इंडिया से किसी दूसरे कंट्री में जाएंगे, है ना, then you will be also called that you are touring medical tour. You are on in medical tour. आप medical tour कर रहे हैं. This means what? You are going for medical treatment to other countries. So likewise, other people are also coming to our countries for medical treatment. This is known as medical tourism, my dear students. Many patients from Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and other Asian countries used to come to India for having better treatment, to get the world-class facilities at lower cost. बहुत सारे कंट्री, अदर कंट्री से लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं अपने इलाज कराने के लिए, and they are getting this at lower cost. But the Indians are not getting. The Pakistanis, the Sri Lankans, the Bangladeshis, people are getting a lot of better treatment in India because they are having what? They are having money. They are spending their money and they are getting the better treatment. Now, fact, a truth, सच्चाई, कुछ सच्चाई आपको बताना चाहेंगे. What is the fact? See, the red one. Looking at the fact that there are so many hospitals and phenomenal medical advancement, है ना? इंडिया में बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स हैं और बहुत अच्छे मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी अवेलेबल हैं. But it is not true that the government is not able to provide good health service. और ये भी बात आप नहीं कह सकते कि गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकता. You cannot say that the government cannot provide health service. The government can provide. But why the government is not providing good health services to the people of India? Because of this mismanagement, my dear students. They are not managing it properly. Another fact, if people from foreign lands can get themselves treated in best of hospitals, है ना, फॉरेन लैंड से जो लोग आके यहाँ पर बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल्स में ट्रीटमेंट ले सकते हैं, तो सवाल ये उठता है, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन that why can't the government make available the same facilities to its own people cheaply? तो यहाँ के लोगों को गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं चीप में ये सारे फैसिलिटीज देते हैं? Why the government doctors are saying in the government hospitals that they are not having medical equipment, medical latest technologies in their hospitals? Why the latest technologies are not available in government hospitals? Why only the latest technologies and well qualified doctors are available in private hospitals only? Why the government is not taking such actions? Why are the government is not providing medical facilities and latest equipments in the hospitals? Once I also went to that Red Cross, and I went there for medical dental treatment, and the doctor who was sitting there, he told me that latest technologies, latest machines are not available sir over here. And he forwarded me his card. उन्होंने एक कार्ड अपना दिया for his private clinic, and he asked me to come in his private clinic for better treatment. He told me that he cannot provide me good facilities in this particular government organization because latest technologies, latest equipments are not available. And I was forced to go to the private technology, to private doctors to visit. And the same condition the whole India is facing. Whenever they are going to government hospitals, the doctor used to say that medical facilities are not available, latest technology are not available, so you can't have better treatment over here. It is better that you come to my private clinic. And they are just doing it, and they have made it like a business. So my dear students, my dear friends, we will have to raise our voice. We will have to show the government this particular fact, that they should provide us the same facilities, good facilities, which they are providing to the foreigners and the rich persons. They should provide these facilities at cheaper cost to the poor people of India also. We will have to raise our voice. हम लोगों को इसके लिए protest करना चाहिए, हम लोगों को इसके लिए campaign करना चाहिए. We should start creating awareness among the people also, my friends. ये हम लोगों को करना होगा. Then the government will be aware, then the government will take actions, and then only the government will provide latest technologies and latest machines in the government hospitals also, for the better treatment of the people, for the better treatment of the citizens of India. Because it is written clearly written in our constitution, my friend, that the government should give us better medical facilities to each and every citizen of India. So we are having this right to life. We are having the right to life, and we will have to protest for it. The government will have to provide us the good facilities at cheaper cost. This is all, my dear friends, for today. Next, when we will meet again in our next class. Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.